Hello everyone. Today we will discuss humidity in deserts. We will see some characteristics of deserts such as humidity, precipitation, evaporation, solar radiations, and the adaptations made by animals in the deserts. Deserts cover 20% of the Earth's surface yet are the driest region in the world. Their lack of humidity is particularly striking because hot areas can hold so much moisture. Rainforests, for instance, combine warm air and high precipitation to produce some of the highest area of humidity in the world. Deserts, on the other hand, are very dry, so they are antithetical to most life. Let's see humidity. Humidity is defined as the amount of moisture content or water vapor occupying the air at any one time. High humidity occurs in area where the high moisture content evaporates into the atmosphere. Air expands as it gets warmer, so it can hold much more humidity than cold or frigid air. Let's see the precipitation in the desert. According to the University of California Museum of Paleontology, deserts receive less than 20 inches of precipitation per year. Semi-arid deserts receive between 3/4 to ½ inches annually. Cold deserts fare a little better at 6 to 10 inches a year. The Atacama Desert in Chile and some parts of inland Sahara average approximately a ½ inch per year, and some years they even go rainless. Let's see the evaporation in the deserts. Deserts are prone to having long periods of little to no rain before receiving short bursts of precipitation. But the amount of humidity that does enter the air is rare. The desert air is so dry that the rate of evaporation regularly exceeds the rainfall rate, and the rainfall may even evaporate before it hits the ground. Next factor is the solar radiations. The scant desert humidity that exists in the air is unable to block the sun rays. So the amount of solar radiation that deserts receive can reach twice the amount of humid regions. The daily temperature swings that follow can be extreme. On one end of the spectrum, temperatures can reach up to 49 degrees Celsius, and it's not unusual that it can occasionally drop below freezing. Now we see the adaptations adopted by the animals in the desert environment. Arid climates can be found on every continent. They range from hot and dry deserts that see almost no rain to semi-arid scrub land where rain falls intermittently. Arid climates are not suitable for most life forms. Plants and animals that make their home in arid climates have made special adaptations to the environment. Desert conditions are also exacerbated by the fact that desert organisms respond to the low humidity by preserving as much water as they can without losing it to evaporation. Many desert plants have evolved a waxy structure called a cuticle that can keep water inside. Small leaves and white hairs that reflect heat may also be strategies for dealing with desert conditions. That was all about desert. Thank you so much for watching this video.